हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो टुडेज व्लॉग आपने देख लिया होगा ऑलरेडी मेरी कवर फोटो में, थंबनेल में। इट्स अबाउट सूरजकुंड। सो आई रिसेंटली वेंट टू सूरजकुंड। अब ऑलमोस्ट खत्म होने वाला है, सो आई थॉट ऑफ लाइक शूटिंग इट एंड क्विकली आई ट्राई टू अपलोड इट टुडे ओनली. So I went to Surajkund last week and I was pretty excited because I used to go like every year, and for last 5 years I couldn't go. In fact, 6-7 years because I wasn't here, so I couldn't go. So I was really excited. Like, I mean, if we talk about kya milta hai, there's literally nothing but everything. So it's a very interesting mela which happens every year in Feb in Faridabad. So basically, what they have is like people from all the states showcasing their art, and they have like what do you call, embroidered clothes and bed sheets and handmade baskets, paintings, like all the traditional art stuff. So I really like to explore such places, like just walk around, see people, see cultures, see people from different state. I just enjoy it a lot. So yeah, this year I went few days ago and I shopped very little bit. Like, I just bought some stuff, and yeah, I'll show you what all I got. Hello guys. So if you have watched my previous video, I'm sure you have seen that part where I was pretty confident that I found the right spot to shoot. But just because I was very happy, my sisters have to disapprove and they literally took me out of that angle. So today I'm shooting in my closet. Let's see how the video looks, and let me know in the comments which angle, which backdrop you prefer for my videos. So let's get into the video. So I will start with the boring stuff first. What we got from Surajkund are these bed sheets. If anyone who is watching is above 30 will relate to it. Like, after 30, you would kill to have a nice bed sheet. At least I would do. So I got this bed sheet. It's from, I don't know, it says frills and more, and it's a very cute bed sheet. It has frills around. I will share a close-up to show you how it exactly looks, and it was pretty reasonable too. So yeah, you can get some beddings. There's one more bedsheet which we got, which is again is this printed bedsheet. For me personally, I like either block colors, solid colors, or I prefer like something going on, the prints going on all over the place. So next what we got are these silk suits. Usually we get a lot of silk stuff, but the thing is, the hard part is bargaining. You don't know the level of bargaining that you can do. For example, if they are telling you this suit is for 5,000, you can literally get it for 2,500, like half the price. मैंने starting में bargaining की नहीं थी because I was like, it's fine, let's just let them on. But towards the end, when I looked at the bargaining, like the margins they have is crazy. So if you are going and someone quotes you whatever rate they quote you, you can reduce it to like 40-50%, and I'm sure they are going to give it to you. So these are the silk suits that we got. These are very particular, and the thing with them is you don't really have knowledge, like, because they will say it's from this state and that state, and they will quote different prices. So this is the suit. It's going to look pretty good, and this is the, what do you call, a dupatta. Looks really nice. I am not really into suits, but I like it. This one looks really nice. So yeah, when you go to the price point, then there is no like level of bargaining that you can do. It's crazy. Next one is this color. I really like this color better. Mustard with plain bottoms. And this is the dupatta again. I wish I could wear these suits, but I really don't like to. I think for this also you need to be half my size, because these are the fabrics are very thick, so I really don't like it. It's not flattering on my body, so I don't wear it. But yeah, so these are the suits, and my take from this is that if you are going, and especially if you go today or day after, like only last 2 days are left, then you need to bargain hard, because at this point they don't want to take their stuff back to their state, so they would rather sell it. So yeah, it's a very good time to shop. Next is this suit that I got for my sister because pastels suit her, and this is really nice. Like, also the thing is, now if you see fabric, you can't really make out like how it's going to look, but after the stitching it's going to look really good. It's very pastely nice fabric. You can get it nicely stitched, and yeah, this was very reasonable. I don't remember, I think 2000 rupees for suit and dupatta and everything, which is a good price. Next is this sari, the famous sari. So this guy, apparently he's famous and everyone was getting saris from him, and I think it was Odisha store. Let me check. Yeah, it's from Banaras silk sari, and it has that all silk certification and all. What he quoted me was 12,000 rupees, and he was like, ma'am, this sari is for 12,000. It's actually very nice color and it's very girlish. So he quoted me like 12,000, and he took me to the side and he's like, ma'am, because there were a lot of customers, so he was like, ma'am, for you I will give you 10,000, like for 10k. And I was still dicey, and then he's like, okay ma'am, I really want to sell it to you, so 7,500. And we were there in the area like for 30 minutes, so we were in that area, and then he comes to me and he was like, ma'am, 7,500 last price for you. And I was like, no, it's fine, I really don't have any knowledge about saris and stuff, you know, I was just passing by their stall. And he was like, ma'am, I don't want you to go empty hands, so 6,000 and it's done. And something like, you know, gotten into me, and I was like, I only have 5,000 cash. And he was like, okay ma'am, give it to me. And I was like, 12,500 to 5,000. I could have quoted even low, but here we are, we have this. This is also going to look very good, but you have to style it nicely.
भाई फिर भी हम आपको 10% और भी इसमें कर देंगे मैम, 6,500 हो जाएगा।
Yeah, combination looks nice.
मैं आपको फोटो भेजूं?
फोटो भेजो दीदी, लखनऊ साड़ी
फोटो भेजूं?
हाँ, इतनी भूर गलता होती है ना, ये इसको ये सब पीछे रखते हैं दीदी, हमको बहुत कम देखा।
We got this suit, which is my favorite so far. This is silk and it's very fine, very nice suit. It's again 3-piece. You have this suit, this is the top, and this is the bottom. This is the bottom, and then you have this dupatta, which is really cool. I really loved this suit. This was, oh my god, I just remembered we didn't bargain much, because in the start I was like, oh, let's just, you know, get whatever we like. But just look at it, just this looks so good. I'm in love with this fabric. It's so comfortable, so nice, and so gorgeous. It depends how we are styling it and how we are making it. I have a reference how I'm gonna get it made, but this is really nice suit. It's one of the best and my favorite purchase, but I regret not bargaining. I think he quoted me 4,000 rupees, and I was like, oh, 3,500, and he was like, okay ma'am, that's it, 500. So I kind of regret not bargaining, because after that sari thing, like, I was regretting my previous purchases. But yeah, this is really nice. I love the color and everything, so it's fine.
बहुत कंफर्टेबल फैब्रिक है, कैसी भी गर्मी में पहन लेना दीदी आप।
These are nice. I like this color also, red bhi. So my most favorite and first purchase of the Mela is this boho bag. I am in love with this bag. Like, I was passing by this bag and I fell in love, because I love animal prints. People who know me, they know I'm obsessed with animal prints. I'm obsessed with fringes and suede bags. So this bag is like a perfect bag. This was pretty reasonable too, so I bought it for my travels, or I think इसके लिए मुझे जयपुर जाना होगा, जयपुर उदयपुर, to rock this bag. But this bag is really amazing. Let's see. So when I was shopping, my first purchase was this bag, and then I started putting stuff in this bag. So let's see what else we have. We have some basic stuff. This is a cute brush holder. This was very reasonable. So I got this. It was fixed price. It was from a fixed price store. And I got it for like 200 rupees. 3 pieces for 200. Which is good. And it's a very cute brush holder. I can also make it a vase or my makeup brush holder or whatever. This is really nice. Next is this soap case, liquid soap case. This is from the same place as well. I got 3 for 200. So this is the liquid soap case. It's very cute. I love the color and it's good for the price, and the pump is also like good quality, so I like it. It was set of 3 for 200. So next is this soap case. This is also cute. It's matching and very pastely and very nice quality. Sometimes you find this stuff on like streets, but it's not very well made, but this is really a nice and clean piece. So yeah, I like it. Also, I got few rings which I currently don't have it with me. It's in my other room and I'm not getting it. I'm too lazy, but maybe I'll show it to you. I'll just link a picture of it. So I got few silver rings which were amazing. Jewelry was amazing. So you can get jewelry from there, clothes from there, bed sheets from there, and also some homeware stuff. I like this ring. I really like these two. Oh, I like it. ये वाला भी अच्छा है. इसका क्या प्राइस है?
ये वाला? ये 3000. इसमें 4 पार्टी वैन.
Yeah, we are giving you customers. This is the jewelry that I got it. What caught my eye was this lotus, but she was not giving me only lotus, so I had to buy the full set. If you want it, I will link their Instagram. So all these places, like all these stalls, they had their Instagram page too. So also this back person has a nice Instagram. This, I really love it. Look at it. Looks good on white. Very random jewelry on. I have these bracelets on, then I have this necklace on, then I have the earrings on. A bit mix match of everything, but I really love this piece, so I had to get it. I am lately obsessed with lotuses. I don't know why. Everywhere I find lotus jewelry, lotus print, anything lotus, I just get carried away. These are the cute earrings I got. I don't know. I don't think so I'm gonna wear it because I'm really not into earrings. But yeah, these are really nice. That's about it. I walked into the Mela and I got this really pretty boohoo bag for myself, and I'm really cutting down on shopping. So I did not pick any random baskets and stuff because I'm like in my declutter era. So I'm not buying extras. I mean, I know looking at my vlogs you won't believe me, but yeah, still I used to shop 10 times what I'm shopping now. So now I buy only what's necessary, like necessary, what do you call it? Needs, comfort and luxury. So now I'm at comfort level, so I'm going to go to needs level soon. Like I want to declutter stuff, so I'm buying whatever I use. So makeup, I buy whatever I'm use, like which I'm going to use. Clothing and everything, like I'm cutting down on jewelry as well because I get excited and buy a lot of jewelry but I never wear. So yeah, I got few bags. I got other bag also for my friends. They are not with me anymore. So yeah, we got few bags, few clothes. Definitely I'll recommend buying clothes. You can find nice prints, different stuff there. And also there were a lot of hand paintings if you are interested in, but they are like different states. They have their own art forms and their art thing, like you get stuff on bamboo and then you get other sorry, I don't even know the names, but yeah, you get furniture, you get paintings, you get a lot of food, which guys, itni mitti thi, I couldn't eat. Like I bought food, but the itch in me couldn't like let me eat because they were of course serving frozen momos. I ordered momos or वो frozen steam हो रहे थे. I couldn't take it. And also there's a lot of dust and also I don't recommend eating a lot of food there. Just eat and go explore. You can buy a lot of nice fabrics, clothes, dupattas, homeware, furniture, lights, everything. Like there's something for everyone. For kids you can find little toys, drawing books, and there are a lot of these jewelry little stalls there. So overall it's a very nice cute kind of experience. For me, I like it. I love going to Global Village in Dubai. I don't buy anything, but I just love going there. Like, I would say every week I would go and do nothing, just go around, chill. So same as this Mela, you just go around, chill. Prefer going in weekdays. Now it's almost over, so you don't have much choice. But yeah, you go in weekdays, it's pretty, like, you know, the crowd is less. And yeah, that's about it. We have one more thing I forgot to show you. I don't know the stall from which we got, but this is a cute light stuff happening here. One more time we'll remember the builder because we don't have any place where we can hang it. So basically kahin pe electrical point nahi hai where we can hang it, but let's see, we'll try to figure out something. But I think it's really cool. This is going to look good in a, oh iske sath bulb bhi andar. This is going to look good in the prayer area. Basically मंदिर में अच्छा लगेगा, but let's see. I really like it as a cap also. खराब तो नहीं हो जाएगी if I try. Also, I'm adding a few clips from the Mela, so go watch it. पीछे बारिश हो रही है. Oh my god, this weather is my favorite weather. Like, I love rains. So rain apart. So yeah, I have added some clips so you can get an idea of how Mela actually looks like in all the stalls and the stuff you find here. So yeah, enjoy. Thank you so much. Alright guys, so if you are coming media parking से, तो विवांता के आगे जाके it's media parking, and then you enter from gate 5. This courtesy is Foxtail, shittiest brand ever. Whenever I use this pops up. So yeah.
So this is press parking where I parked my car, which was pretty hassle free, and I had the passes, so queue में लगने की भी need नहीं थी, which was pretty helpful.
Guys, we are finally here. इतनी checking करी है, इतनी checking तो airport पे भी नहीं करते. US जाते वक्त हुई थी US में इतनी. Did they check you this much at the airport? Saturday के according I don't feel it's that crowded.
Absolutely love this music and vibe. Totally here for it.
There is nearly nothing which I would like to buy, but it just excites me to browse.
कितना भी गुची प्राडा ले लो, बट जो 1000-2000 का बैग लेके मज़े आते हैं ना, दैट हिट्स डिफरेंट. एंड ऊपर से 500 की बार्गेनिंग भी कराओ.
इतना तो पता ही होगा guys, after 30 all we love is nice cups and plates, crockery, everything is so cool. Looks new. Really like this piece. The quality looks decent too. It's fine. This one too. Yeah. Yeah, this set is good. ये पैटर्न स्टिच्ड है, सेमी स्टिच्ड है. दिखाना खोल के सामने से. This one caught my attention. I like it, but I don't wear earrings.
लो जी एक और नोट उड़ा दिया खुशी खुशी में.
Show me, Shahrukh.
These were the cheapest suits, I think 1,400 types. यहाँ भैया जी हमें पढ़ा रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं मार्जिन नहीं है.
Few hours later, बालों के हालात ये हो चुके हैं. I'm obsessed with my new bag. And alright guys, after walking for few hours, finally मिट्टी से लथपथ कुछ खाना खा लें हम. मिट्टी की भरी रोटी खाई जाए या कुछ और खाया जाए. Let's see. Guys, what do you want? खिलाओ. कभी गोलगप्पा नहीं खाया इसने? Let's go. यार, I have मिट्टी issues.
As such इतना क्राउड नहीं था. फूड कोर्ट में भी सीट मिल गई, which is fine.
Rosanna, you like it?
I like how Indian food, like, the sensations come later.
Yeah. It gives you orgasm.
It gives you like, yeah, see, look.
Guys, I'm not very happy with the hygiene situation. मिट्टियाँ उड़ रही हैं. I don't like that. We have this, and we have कुल्हड़ चाय for Rosanna. Guys, जहरीले बाव momos भी लिए हैं. I saw him putting frozen momos into the steamer. Food situation is not what I would like.
95 नहीं बताए, वही रेट बताए, 65 बताए, 6000.
These are pretty too.
नहीं मिलेगा, हम आपसे पैसा कमाएंगे.
It's really overwhelming.
उनको घड़ी का बताए हैं, दीदी घड़ी का रेट
50 रुपए का मैडम.
It's been a while. भैया रहने दो.
The lanterns look so good.
Yeah. A bit orange, something like that.
सब कुछ हर जगह मिलता है, but it's just fun browsing, going around.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. I am wearing H&M basics. I got these from one of the exhibition. These I got from Rajouri, one of the store in Rajouri, which was again pretty reasonable. I will link my video. I have like all the jewelry. I think I did a haul. All the jewelry haul I got from Rajouri. Otherwise, I will just write the Instagram handle. I will tag it. It was really cool and the prices were pretty decent and you find all the trendy jewelry there. This cutie is from the Mela and this cutie is from India. Thank you so much for watching and do comment down what you want to watch on my channel. Thank you so much.